This is verse 6 of the first chapter of the Gospel of Matthew, continuing to delineate the genealogy that leads to Christ. We've reached the point of the father of David, so Yesai, this is Jesse in the Old Testament, postpositive da, and Jesse, agenesen, same verb, genao, to give birth to or to be the father of. So Jesse was the father of Ton, direct article, Ton Dawid, David, of course, and for the first time we have a designation here as the king. That, of course, is part of the agenda that is being pursued by Matthew to show that Jesus indeed is descended from David and is thus of the kingly line, which is celebrated in the Old Testament. Continuing, Dawid, agenesen, same verb, Ton Solomona, Solomon, of course, and Matthew makes note of the fact of the circumstances of the birth of Solomon, ek, out of, tes, the genitive, to, so out of the, then of Uriah one, Uriah. Notice the feminine article here is, of course, an allusion to Bathsheba, who's not mentioned by name, so it's of the of Uriah one, and the one who is referred to there would be the feminine, pointing back to Bathsheba. So, of course, once again, Matthew's going out of his way to include scandals in this genealogy. Of course, commentators muse that the reason for that is simply to show that though Jesus himself, by the biblical reckoning, was perfectly pure and sinless, he nevertheless was truly human. He was born into the human race. He was born into the human line, which was, of course, on many occasions affected by the sinful behavior of the people who stood in that genealogical tradition.